in Google's own words. While Google relies on algorithms to evaluate and constantly improve search quality, we're also willing to take manual action on sites that use spammy techniques, such as demoting them or even removing them from our search results altogether. So Google couldn't really be clearer about that. If you break the rules, they'll throw you out. So what sort of things could trigger a manual action? Well, if your site is hacked and you haven't bothered fixing it, if you've got excessive user-generated spam, i.e. comments that haven't been moderated, if you're using some of the spammy free hosting websites, you might just have a bad reputation by association and could get banned for that. If you're using some sort of spammy structured markups system, again, if it's abused, you'll get penalized for it. Unnatural linking to your website, that's probably one of the most common things that can get you banned. Thin content with little or no value, again, Google just doesn't like that. And then if you've got all the things that are specifically listed in the Google Webmaster Guidelines, things like cloaking and sneaky redirects, all that kind of stuff, that's guaranteed to get you banned. Unnatural linking from your website, that can get you banned. And then you've got other things just like pure spam, hidden text, keyword stuffing, all the obvious things. Now, how do you know you've got a manual action against you? Well, for one thing, you've just been thrown out of the Google index, so you'll no longer appear in Google. What you can do is go into your Google Search Console. If you have been banned, they'll tell you in there that, that a manual action has been taken against you. So if you do have a manual action against you, what happens? Well, basically you mend your ways and then you have to submit a reconsideration request and hope that Google will get around to examining it and forgiving you. Trouble is, Google has a long memory, it doesn't forget and it doesn't forgive, so you're far better off not attracting a manual action in the first place than trying to recover from one.